Please do subscribe and click bell icon before watching my video. Now we are going to start about system modeling and simulation. This is the subject and first introduction to simulation. What is a simulation? It is an imitation of a operation of an real world process or system over time. When you take any system, for example, for some time we are observing that system what it is doing. That is what the simulation. Whether this is done by hand or on a computer. That means you can observe a program in a computer or a machine or an equipment which is done by a hand. This simulation involves the generation of an artificial history. That means it is generating some history of that particular system and the observation of a artificial history to draw inference conferencing the operation characteristics of the real system. Whether this artificial history is exactly same of the characteristics of the real system or not. This is observed. This is nothing but the simulation. Now, when this simulation is an appropriate tool, that means when it is used for appropriate tool, when this can be used. For example, this is used for the purposes the following, that is changing simulation inputs and observing the result outputs can produce valuable insight into which variables are the most important and into how variables interact, which is nothing but you can give the different inputs and observe what the outputs are. Changing the inputs some other times and observing the outputs. For that, it is an appropriate tool. And simulation can be used to verify analytic solutions. If you are verifying some analytical solutions, then it is an appropriate tool. And if you want to gain some knowledge about a investigating under some system, if you are investigating for that purpose, it is an appropriate tool. And animations shows a system in simulation operation so that the plan can be visualized. You can visualize the overall plan. For that and some other purposes, it is an appropriate tool. Same as when it is not an appropriate tool, when it is not used. That is first one, if suppose if the solution of a problem can be solved by using common sense. That is, for example, if you ask 2 into 3, what is the output? Then all can say that is 6. So, using common sense, if you can solve any problem, then you cannot use. That means it is not an appropriate tool to use a simulation. Next, same as if the simulation should not be used, if the problem can be solved analytically, if you can solve a problem analytically, then it is of no use of using simulation. And if it is easy to perform direct experiments other than using the simulation by observing, then it is not an appropriate tool. And one more is if the cost exceeds the savings. That means for your system building, if it takes less amount, and for your um, simulation, if it is more cost, then that is savings exceeds cost, then it is not an appropriate tool. Next, if the resources or time are not available to build a system, if the resources are not available or time is not sufficient, then no need of using this simulation tool. And go on like this, you cannot be, it is an appropriate tool for some cases. Like comment and share my video. Thanks for watching.